There you can see the light. Hey YouTubers, it's Ronan here again with my bar channel, where I'm either building it, assembling it, repairing it, or just replacing it. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to be changing out the bulb, a UV bulb on this AC unit, and I'll show you how quick and easy it is to be done. Let's get started. First, you want to make sure you kill the power on your unit, the main power, not the breaker, because you're going to be dealing with some live circuit. Loosen up all your screws to get access to the inside of the unit itself. So here is the UV light that I gotta remove. So it's just a matter of unplugging it and getting to the back of that area. So what I'm doing now is I'm just unplugging this light right here and then removing these two plastic holding nuts. As you can see, the light is gone. It's finished. The light is done. Getting my new light. You want to make sure that you use gloves when you're doing this, because you don't want to have the oil on your fingers touching the bulb itself. So that's why I always use gloves. I left the bubble wrap in place. Get the other nut in. I'm going to connect back my wire. Remove my plastic. And then I'm good to go to close it up. And that's what the burnt light looks like. Putting my breaker back on. There you can see the light.